In this video, I will show you how to connect Spotify to Discord. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to link your Spotify account, display what you're listening to on Discord, and share your music activity with friends. If this video helps you out today, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Spotify, Discord, and tech tutorials. Now, to do this, I'll be using the Discord app, but you can do this on the web-based version of Discord if that's what you prefer to use. These steps are the same. So what you want to do once you've opened up Discord and logged into your account is if you actually come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this gear icon to go into your user settings. And once you're here, you want to come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto connections. Now from here, if you look at the top, you can see we can add accounts to your profile. So you should see Spotify here, but if you don't, you can click onto this arrow which says view more. And once you've done that, you should see the Spotify logo here. Give it a click, and what that's going to do is direct you to the Spotify website with a permission to allow Spotify to connect to Discord. So all you need to do is read through this and click onto agree. And if you're not currently logged into Spotify, it's going to ask you to log into Spotify as well, so you can connect the correct account. Once that's done, you're going to get a confirmation saying that you have connected your Spotify account to Discord. So if I now come back to my Discord and we scroll down on the connections page, you can see that we have Spotify connected here. What you can do is display it on your profile, and you can display it as your status as well if you want to by turning the switches on. And if I close down my settings, and what I'm going to do is click onto my profile down here, what I'm going to do is just play one of my playlists in Spotify. And once that's done, if we come back to Discord, as you can see that Spotify is now showing in my status here, and that is now connected. So that is how to connect Spotify to Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.